Hello students, today we will start our second chapter of environment. Our second chapter of environment is my school. You already know what is your school. Just now you are also missing your school, right? But you already know what is school because now you are in first standard. In KG section you were coming to school, right? The school कैसी होती है and various objects in your classroom, especially classroom. In classroom, what are the things are there and which objects are there in your classroom, and various types of rooms in your school, that is library, staff room, computer room, that, and what is the purpose of different room in the school, that you will study in this chapter of your environment, that is my school. See the page number 143. Take out your textbook. This is the picture of Saina's classroom. This is the picture of Saina's classroom. You can see so many things in the classroom. And also all the students are sitting in the classroom. The teacher is explaining the lesson. You can see the blackboard, cupboards where books are kept, notice board, all the things are there. And these things from the, so when you come inside the room and you see all the benches, blackboard itself, you see that this is a classroom where students are studying. So here are some of the objects that you will study in the classroom. For the activity, you have to do all these things. You can take crayons in your hand of red color and you can write a number of the objects according to the names which is given below page number 143. Here the instructions are given. Number the objects and people you can see in it to match the words given below. And one example is done for you. You can see here the teacher, there is a round and here it is written 1. Okay, in 1 it is written 1. If you see below the page it is written teacher, so the 1 number goes to teacher. Okay, so the words are given below and the numbers you have to write according to the objects in your textbook. In according to that the numbers we have to give. Okay, so second one is a student. First see the picture. Second one, number 2 is student. student, student. Student, you have to write the on the first bench itself. The student is there, and below above that there is a round. There you have to give a name number 2. You have to give the number 2. So number 2 refers to the word below, that is student. Okay. Now see the third one is notice board. See number notice board is near the cupboard and between the cupboard and the window. So notice board I have given number 3. According to the words we have to give the number. Fourth one is blackboard. Blackboard is number 4. So blackboard there will be a round and you have to write a number 4. Fifth one, it is a duster. duster, duster. Duster, it is on the bench of the table of the teacher. So give the number 5 there. Sixth one is chalk, chalk. Chalk is there below the blackboard. So below the blackboard there is a round. In that you have to write 6, which matches with the word of a chalk which is given on page 143 below the picture of a classroom. Seventh one is dustbin. You can see the blue color dustbin near the cupboard. So give the number 7. Eighth one is table. Eighth one table is near the teachers and it is in front of the first desk. So give the number 8. Ninth one is a chair of a teacher, red color chair. So you can give the number 9 there. 10th one is desk, desk, desk. Desk is a place where you are sitting. So in the second bench, 10 number you can give for a desk which is given. 11th one is a bag. Bag is purple color bag of a first student on the left hand side. So purple color bag is there, and that round you have to give the number 11. And water bottle green color, last student is sitting with a water bottle, that there we have to give a number 12. 13th one is a cupboard. Cupboard you have to give the number 13. And 14th one is a window, that you have to give the number 14. So these are the objects that is present in a classroom. Once again I tell you what are the different objects in the classroom. In a classroom there is a teacher, students sitting on a desk, there is a teacher table and a chair, there is a blackboard for writing, below there is a chalk, duster, sometimes on a stand and sometimes on a table. There is also books with the teacher, but books with the teacher and also books with the students, but it is not mentioned here. Then cupboard for keeping extra books, dustbin for throwing your waste things, notice board for keeping your drawings and chart papers and activities there. You can also keep your timetable on notice board. 14th one is a black window. You can also see the books, then bag, water bottle, and also you can say lunch box, then stationaries like pencil, scale, eraser, crayon, colors, painting things like brush, colors, etc. also is a part of a classroom. Okay, so these are the some of the objects of the classroom that you may have understood. Now turn page 144. Turn page 144. Heading is rooms in a school. There are various rooms in our school. Not only this Sina school, but also we have so many rooms, different rooms in a school. Besides classroom, there is always a father's principal office. There is a library near the principal's office. There is a staff office of a school office where Devang Bhai sits. There is a school office. Also, there is a staff room where all the teachers are sitting. In the first floor, there is a computer lab. And also below the first floor, there is also a sick room. In both the sides of the staircase, there is a sick room. There is also toilet in all the floors for girls and boys differently. At the end of the school, near the KG sections, there is a toilet for girls, and for the also boys there is a different toilet. In all the floors there are different toilet, so they will not be rush in all the times. There is also auditorium you can see on the first floor. You can also see the stage for the assembly in the ground in the first floor. So all the things are there also in our school. All the rooms have different purpose and different uses that you will study here. So besides classroom, there are many other rooms in the school. Let's visit some of them. Your small pictures are given, but I have collected some of the new pictures that I will show you. This is the principal's office. Principal's office is always with a very well furnished office. We are also having a very nice office with a table, chair, rolling chair, cupboards for extra books, plants, AC, window, plants, etc. Okay. This is the principal's office where principal sits there, and if you have any work, you can go and talk to principal. School's office, where there is a administration office where they collect fees. They also manage some of the other management of the school. So this is the school office. This is the classroom where teachers and students are there, and also blackboard, teacher table is there. This is also a classroom. This is a single seat for different students, and blackboard is there, timetable, calendar is also there, and also books and all the stationery things are kept on the desk. You love to this type of classroom, yes? This is a staff room, and staff room has a different dining table so that teachers can sit and do their extracurricular activities. So staff room is there for sitting the teachers. This is a music room. Music room we don't have in our school, but music room is supposed for learning different instruments of the music, and also for practicing singing and some of the schools are having the music room. Okay, this is a medical room, that is a sick room where is a bed. In our school also there is a bed of two pairs, that is above and below beds are there. In both staircase there is a bed for girls and boys differently, and where do you go and sick when you have a stomach ache and headache and all the things. If you are having, you can go and sleep there for a while, you can rest there. Okay, this is a computer lab. We are also having a computer lab, very well furnished at our school. Each computers are there for each students, and there is one teacher to monitor, and also a projector and a smart board to teach the students. Okay, so this is a computer lab for a computer room for computer class. This is also a computer lab. Different computer labs are there for different school. This is a toilet, so you can go there if you have a need for a warm up. This is a library. We are also having in our school. In after we've near the principal's office there is a library. When you go in elder classes, you can go there and you can read extra books of your choice. So library will give you extra knowledge of extra subjects, and you can also read their storybooks and novels also. This is an auditorium. You can the various cultural activities and various festivals, various cultural programs, various competitions can be held in the auditorium on the stage. Here the pupils are there, and students are used to sit in a chair, or you can see that they can sit down also. And there is a green room where the performance are there. Afterwards they can go to the green room, and there is a stage where they can perform various skit, drama, dances, etc. So here that also auditorium, you can see that in our school also there is an auditorium that is there in our first floor with a stage, and also there is a stage below the first ground. Also there is a stage, and many of the cultural activities programs we are doing in our school, right? So here I have already explained you all the types of classroom. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. And various classroom activities, various purpose, you have to just remember the name of the different rooms of the school just now for a while, and also remember some of the objects in your classroom. Okay, till here I complete of chapter 2nd, and activity I will give you. Activity and also exercise I will give you in the next PDF. Thank you.